Alright, this is lesson 7.2, lesson 1, rational powers. Alright, so what we need to understand about rational powers is it's just radicals. So if I have the square root of 3, what I'm really doing is a second root of 3, alright, which in itself just means I have 3 to the 1/2 power. Alright, let's do another one. Let's say that I have the third root of 4. Well, what this really says is I have 4 to the 1/3 power. Now, let's see why that works. When I have a half power, I know that square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is equal to 2. Now, what happens if I have 2 to the 1/2 times 2 to the 1/2? If I use my exponent rules, which we should have gotten from Math 101, I know that it becomes 2 to the 1/2 plus 1/2. In other words, that's equal to 2 to the 2/2, which reduces to become 2 to the 1st, or 2. So, in general, when you have a value to the 1 over n, that's just saying you have an nth root of a, and you can work the problem out either way. Now, if we continue this notion, if I have a to the n over m, I could break that up using my power rules. That's just a to the n to the 1 over m, right? Because power to a power means you multiply the exponents. So this is just the mth root of a to the n. Now, alternately, I could have said that this was a to the 1 over m to the nth. In other words, it's the mth root of a to the n. The order can be switched around depending on what you want. Alright, and one other thing that we're supposed to have is a reminder: if you have a to the negative n, that's just 1 over a to the n. That negative power is going to drop down your value to the bottom. So if I have negative n over m, so a to the negative m over n, that's just 1 over a to the n over m, which is just 1 over the mth root of a to the n. Alright, so it's just shifting things around. It's not that scary of a notion. The more practice you have, the better, and then if you need to review your exponent rules, let me know and I can do another video. But that's about it for 7.2.